squad picked to face Portugal.
Laura O'Sullivan, Cardiff City Ladies.
Emma Gibbon, Tottenham Hotspur. Olivia Clark, Nestleham Ladies.
Claire Skinner, Cardiff City Women.
Sophie Engel, Chelsea Women. Nadia Lawrence, Cardiff City Ladies.
Tabitha Sabanda, Arsenal. Gemma Evans, Grenadinas Bristol. Brianna Roberts, Liverpool Women.
Elise Holmes, Everton Ladies.
Megan Wynn, Tottenham Hotspurs.
And Hannah James, Everton Ladies.
Hayley Ladd, Birmingham City Women.
Natasha Harding, Reading Women.
Charlie Escott, Reading Women. Grace Horrell, Cardiff City Ladies.
Chloe Williams, Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Kelly Isaac, Cardiff City Ladies.
Kylie Nolan, Cardiff City Ladies.
Emma Jones.
Corey Williams, Cardiff City Ladies.
Kaylee Green, Brighton and Hove Albion.
Hannah Mills, Cardiff City Ladies. Ella Powell, Georgia State University.
Fionn Morgan, Cardiff City Ladies. Helen Ward, Watford Ladies.